Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the missing font and why Figma shows a warning. Inspect the layers and components to find every instance. Once found, note the font family, weight, and whether it's variable. Next, confirm the source. Is it Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or a custom OTF/TTF you supplied? You should also check team permissions and whether the font was added to a team library. This matters because desktop, web, and team fonts install differently. Now you install or enable the font depending on your workflow. If you use Figma Desktop, install the OTF/TTF on your OS and restart Figma so it registers. Make sure to quit completely, then relaunch. If you use the browser, activate the font in Google Fonts or Adobe Fonts and sign into the matching account so Figma can access it. For team libraries, add the font to the team's shared assets or ask the library owner to upload the correct files. Finish by resolving any remaining substitutions and verifying layout integrity. Use Figma's Replace Font tool to swap replaced fonts back to the correct family and weight, checking kerning and line heights as you go. Once done, clear font caches and restart your system if Figma still shows missing fonts. Local conflicts or duplicate font versions often cause persistent errors. If that fails, test the font in a new file and invite a collaborator. This helps isolate account or team permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.